It's a beautiful Sunday morning, first day of spring. We're out here near Sapphires and Cashiers at Lake Toxaway. Beautiful sunrise.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another weekend adventure. Today is Sunday and we are outside of Cashiers, which isn't too terribly far from Brevard. And we were driving down the road and saw this awesome little place to pull off and watch a sunrise. So we will show you a few of those beautiful sunrise clips here in just a moment, but just wanted to hop on and welcome you to this day and this journey, and there may be more to come. We're headed toward Whitewater Falls, so it's going to be a short, just little hike, and then we might have more later on, but we'll see. So follow us along. We just came a little ways down the road to Whitewater Falls. It is a beautiful, windy, brisk Sunday morning. It is the first day of spring, so we just wanted to bring you along, and we are about to walk up on Whitewater Falls, so come check it out. I hope you enjoy.
Wow, look at that. Oh, man.
If you live in the western North Carolina region, you know we've had quite a bit of rain this week. So these falls are rolling strong.
It looks like there's some stairs leading down to the falls that we're about to hike down. Get a better view here in a little bit. So come along.
So we just walked down the stairs, very easy stairs, not too steep, but as you can see there are several levels, but then you come down here, you've got an area where you can either go on a foothills trail that goes down there. We did not come prepared to hike that trail right now. However, we do have another one that we're going to go to a little bit here in a little bit. But anyway, let's walk up to the Whitewater Falls. This is beautiful. This is apparently the tallest fall east of the Rockies, or yeah, east of the Rockies, I believe, at 811 feet. I've also read that there are some like discrepancies against that, but from top to bottom, I mean, as you can see, it is massive. We really hope you guys are enjoying these videos and our adventures. If you want to continue seeing more, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you feel up to it, hit that bell and be notified for every time that we upload a video. We wish it was more, and hopefully we'll get to a point where we can upload more throughout the week, but as of right now, as you know, the week is for work and the weekend is for the mountains.